Hello everyone, it's Miss Melissa. Today we're going to be making a Teddy Graham convertible. You guys should have all picked up your bags, your little kits. So let's see what's in our kits before we make our Teddy Graham convertible. Okay guys? Let's see. We have a Twinkie. We have some Teddy Grahams. And we have some mini Oreos. Not a whole lot of materials. We don't need a lot for this one. This is an easy one, okay? Just follow along and we'll do it together. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up our Twinkie. That's easy, right? You guys can do that. Okay. You guys have a little spot to put all your stuff so that you can make this with me. Maybe a napkin or a little plate to make it a little easier so you don't have a big mess for mom and dad to clean up after, right? Okay. We are going to also open up our mini Oreos. We are going to need only about 4 altogether. Okay. And our Teddy Grahams. You only need 1 Teddy Graham unless you want to put more than 1 person in your car, okay? I also have a little plastic knife. You don't have to do this. You can do this with your fingers, or if you want to try to do it with something else, you can. I'm just going to make a spot for our Teddy Graham to sit so that he has a seat. If you want, you can do it with your fingers. It doesn't matter. Okay. You could even just shove him in, that works too. So we're gonna stick him into the little spot that I made. Yeah, look at that. Now he's driving the car. Should we give him a steering wheel too? I think we should, but I think we'll put the wheels on first. What do you think? Our car needs something to go with, right? So do you think we're gonna use our mini Oreos for that? What do you think we need? You can, if you want, you can just put them on whole, or you can open them. It's a little easier, plus you can just use the icing when you open them to put them on the sides, right? I'm going to use some icing. If you have it in the house, you can use it. You don't need it. It should stick without it, but I'm going to make it stick a little bit better. So we're going to put a little icing on all 4 spots where we want to put our wheels, okay? 3. And our last spot, 4. And now I'm going to take our mini Oreos and we're going to put 1. There we go. Put another one. And I'm going to open up 1 more. And put it over here. Now we got our little car. Look at that. That was really easy, right? You guys are so good at this. Okay, so what do you think? Should we give our Teddy Graham a steering wheel so he can actually drive his car? I think that would work, right? So we'll use our another mini Oreo as our steering wheel. You can either use part of it or you can use the whole thing. And you could stick another hole in our Twinkie again. There we go. Now our Teddy Graham has a steering wheel. It's almost as big as him though, right? But we made our Teddy Graham convertible. What do you think, guys? I know now you want to eat it, right? But you also have all the leftovers, so you do have some other little snacks to eat there too. I almost forgot before we read our story. If you guys want to give him some friends to sit in the car with him, you can add a couple extra Teddy Grahams. There's another one. Should we stick 1 more in? He has a whole group of people in his car now. There we go. Look at that. They're all going on a ride. Where do you think they're going to go? Where are your Teddy Grahams going? You guys tell me. Okay. And don't forget, if you need it, the instructions are also in your kit, okay? Okay, so now let's read our story. What do you think it's about? Of course, cars. Cars Galore by Peter Stein, and read with permission of Candlewick Press. Black car, green car, nice car, mean car, near car, far car, whoa, bizarre car. That is definitely one bizarre car, right? Fast car, slow car, on the go car, big car, small car, has it all car, cars and more cars, doing chores cars, rev 'em up and make 'em roar cars. Tall car, short car, fun-filled fort car, new car, old car, has a cold car. Jazz car, soul car, rock and roll car, blues car, song car, sing-along car. 100 feet car, incomplete car, scary shark car. Ooh. Noah's Ark car. Is that a big one or what? That's a big car. Plug-in autos, solar autos, igloo ice-fueled, polar autos. Eco-friendly runs on air cars, zip around without a care car. What do you think of that one? Does that look like a fun car? You get to sleep in it? Cars and yet still more cars. Millions, billions, cars galore cars. Honk cars, beep cars, add a creep cars. Miles of piles of in a heap cars. Cars for racing, cars with might, cars for chasing, hold on tight. Rusty, dusty hunk of junk car, stinky, yucky, smells like skunk car. I don't think I want to be any of that one. Save it, tow it, big repair job, take a bath and rinse with care job. Quick, drive, ick, drive, makes you sick drive, round and round drive, upside down drive. Pack it up and take a trip car, crank it up and let her rip car. Do you think you could fit all that stuff on top of your car? I think it would go everywhere. Fun drive, sun drive, gotta run drive, dream drive, cool drive, someday you'll drive. The end. That's a lot of cars, right? Well, I hope you guys had fun making your Teddy Graham convertible. You think it'll go as fast as some of those cars? Well, I know everyone did a great job with theirs. Have a good day, everyone.